Greetings, cherished souls, and welcome back to another transformative session of MTF Subliminal Hypnosis. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button to join a community that celebrates the journey of self-discovery. Before we begin, I want to express gratitude for your presence. Your support empowers us to continue creating content that resonates with your unique experiences. Now, find a quiet and comfortable space as we delve into a session designed to embrace the beauty of your feminine self. If there's anything specific you'd like to share, or if you have suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Your voice matters, and we're here to create a space that caters to your needs. Breathe in deeply. Let's start this session by taking a deep breath, inhaling positive energy and exhaling any tension or stress. Allow the soothing affirmations to guide you on a journey of self-acceptance and transformation. I embrace the journey of self-discovery, honoring my true self. With each breath, I welcome the changes that come with my MTF Hormone Replacement Therapy, HRT. My body aligns with my authentic self, blossoming into the femininity that resides within. I embrace the strength and resilience that comes with navigating my unique journey. As I progress on my transformative path, I am surrounded by love, acceptance, and positive energy. Every step I take is a step toward the authentic expression of my gender identity. Feel the resonance of these affirmations, allowing them to penetrate your subconscious, creating a foundation for positive change. Visualize a serene landscape where you are surrounded by the support and understanding of those who appreciate your journey. See yourself confidently embracing your authentic self, radiating with the beauty that comes from living your truth. Now, as we focus on the concept of female DNA, imagine strands of light weaving through your being, forming a harmonious connection with your true feminine essence. See this integration as a natural and beautiful process, affirming your identity. As we conclude this session, carry these affirmations with you. Know that your journey is unique and worthy of celebration. You are on a path of self-love and authenticity. If you found this session helpful, consider revisiting it regularly to reinforce these positive affirmations. Your journey is a powerful story, and you are the author of your narrative. Open your eyes when you're ready, knowing that you are supported, loved, and on a journey of beautiful transformation. Before you go, if you resonated with today's session, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. Your engagement fuels the positive energy of this community. Thank you for being a part of this transformative space. Your presence enriches us, and we look forward to continuing this journey together.